Welcome back everyone. In this video, we're going to be talking about the study homepage. In the previous video, you saw how to create a study, and along with this name of the study, you entered the compound name and the sponsor name, and you will see that this information is available as metadata in here. The top banner has the same content as previously discussed and will be consistent across all pages. In each study page, there are certain elements that we have to understand. And there is a progression to this page. As you can see, there are three simple steps in each study. The first step is to upload a dataset. Once you upload a dataset, you can run a task on that data and then you can generate a report. And note that these are sequential in nature. Unless you upload a dataset, you cannot run a new task. Unless you run a new task, you cannot generate a new report, right? So these three steps are sequential in nature. Then you will see a button to export a study. And exporting a study will create a dialog box which says, should this study be downloaded? And this, if you click on confirm, this will download a file called as a .PumasCP file. We'll talk more about the .PumasCP file later, but that is what you will be using to export a study. Next, you can also edit the details that you already entered into a study by clicking on Edit Study Details, and you can change the specifics of the study. Okay. Then you will see three different boxes, one for datasets, one for tasks, and one for reports. When you create a new study, there is no information available in here. So there are no datasets, there are no tasks, and no reports. I would like to just spend a minute on the different columns in each of these boxes. You get the name of the dataset, the versioning of the data, what all tasks is the dataset used in, when was the dataset last updated, and certain options to delete and copy and do transformations, which we will talk subsequently. Then the next box is the tasks. The tasks are analysis that you perform on datasets. Each task has a name. You can select a task from a particular template. We will talk about what templates mean. You will see the datasets that will be used in this particular tasks, the number of subjects in each dataset, and when was the task last updated. And again, there are certain common options like copying, deleting, and modifying tasks. And lastly, the report section. The report section, each report can have a name, and the reports can be generated out of a particular task or a combination of tasks. Each report will have tables, listings, and figures, and there is a timestamp on when was the report last updated. And lastly, the common options of deleting a report. So these are the overviews of the different elements of a study homepage, and we will look into how to do each of these steps as we progress in this analysis in these videos. Thank you for listening, and in the next video we will be talking about deleting a study and uploading a study, because now we have created a study and I've showed you how to export a study. We will go back to the PumasCP workspace and showcase how to delete and export a study. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.